Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get public exam answer sheets easily. We'll cover the straightforward steps to access your valuable examination documents. First, you'll need to understand the official request process. Then, identifying the correct examination board is crucial. Finally, gathering your personal identification and exam specifics will prepare you for a smooth application. This method aims to simplify what can often seem like a complex procedure, saving you time and effort. Many examination boards now provide convenient online portals for requesting answer sheets. This is often the easiest and quickest method. You'll need to navigate to the specific section on their official website dedicated to such requests. Carefully fill out the digital application form, ensuring all details like your roll number and subject codes are correct. Finally, be prepared to pay any small processing fees electronically, which typically range from 5 to 25 units of local currency. If an online portal isn't available, or you prefer a traditional approach, the offline application process is still very effective. Begin by downloading the official request form from the examination board's website. Fill out every section meticulously, double-checking your personal and exam details. Remember to attach clear copies of any required identification documents, such as your admit card or national ID. Then, submit the complete application to the designated examination office, either in person or via registered mail. To ensure a smooth process, always verify the most current procedures on the official examination board's website before applying. It is highly recommended to keep copies of all your submitted applications and payment receipts for your records. Be patient, as processing times can typically range from 2 to 4 weeks, sometimes even longer during peak periods. If you experience delays or have questions, do not hesitate to contact the examination board directly for updates on your request.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.